Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. Willing, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Ma'am, I don't have, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rose Jane Rosario. I'm 24 years old and I live in Cantupa, La Libertad, Negros Oriental. And I'm single. My religion is Catholic. And I have experience. My work experience is massage therapist, and I also I have a experience taking care of children and also I know how to clean house and all around house like
Okay.
cleaning and
Okay, Rose
everything.
Jean. Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, okay? Do you have children?
No, ma'am, I'm single, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
January 1, 2000.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1", and my weight is 45.
What about your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate, senior high school?
I'm a senior high school level, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I only have two sisters, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your rank in your family?
Eldest, ma'am.
What about your parents' occupation and how old is your parents?
My mother is, my father is 45 years old and he's barangay employee. And my mother is nanny and she's 43 years old.
Okay, so Rose Jean, being an OFW, being a domestic helper is very tough, okay? So you need to expect those unexpected things. You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 month, and it's not 1 year. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. So once there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract, okay? So once you breach your
Okay.
contract, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Okay.
Okay, you mentioned that you have a working experience as a massage therapist. It was stated in your biodata way back 2018 to
Yes.
2021 for 3 years, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
No, ma'am. But willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take your pets? Are you okay to
Ma'am?
take your pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So usage of mobile handphone, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working? But you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you are not allowed to go out during your rest day. But if you will going to work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary. But for rest, you will going to stay only inside the employer's house. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clear to you before you reach here in Malaysia. We don't want later that you will going to complain us, you will going to demand us about all these things, okay? I would just to let you know also that we don't force people here to come. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, we don't have problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so being a first timer, I know that homesickness frequently attacked you as this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family.
It's
So
my
how will
first.
you gonna handle your homesickness once it strikes you later?
I will call my family for one after my work.
Okay, please be remind yourself, Rose Jean, that once we come to work in other countries, we need to humble ourselves, okay? We are not the boss here in Philippines. We might be the boss, but working other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of our employer. Always greet your employer. Always bring your good attitude because we are a foreigner here. We are not the boss, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much and have a good day.